Welcome to the how-to video, Annotating an Image with Sonosite MT. First, create a text label. Tap the ABC Label button to access the Annotations page. You'll see several options on the Annotations page. To add a text label, select Text. Now, select a label from the Annotations list. Notice that the label appears on the touch monitor in the default home position. Let's enter another label. Move the cursor to another location by tapping the desired location on the touchscreen. Tap the keyboard to type in a label not listed in the labels list. You can edit, move and delete any of your labels. First, select your label by tapping it on the monitor touchscreen. It will now be highlighted. While the label is highlighted, you can move it using your finger on the touch monitor. You can also edit it in the text box. To delete the text label, press the delete icon on the touch monitor next to the label, or tap delete within the thumbnail on the touch panel. To create a custom annotations list, press the System menu, System Settings, Customization, then Labels. Now let's add an arrow. Tap the arrow and drag it on the touch monitor to change its location. You can rotate the arrow by tapping the arrow again, then dragging your finger on the monitor touchscreen. To delete the arrow, press the delete icon on the touch monitor next to the arrow or touch delete within the thumbnail on the touch panel. To add a pictograph, tap Picto. The pictographs available on the screen depend on the exam type you are currently in, but you can always choose any pictograph from the menu. You can place the pictograph in various positions. Each pictograph comes with a transducer orientation marker. Rotate the marker to indicate the orientation of your image on the pictograph. You can delete all labels on the screen by tapping Clear All Labels, or you can delete just text labels. Other options include choosing a new home position for your labels. Now it's time for you to explore on your own. Watch the how-to videos on the Sonosite Institute or refer to the System User Guide for more information.